The way in which territory was controlled was through large fortress cities and lesser fortifications. This meant that if you wanted to take territory, you had to be able to organize successful sieges. And if you wanted to defend territory, you had to defend your lands against such sieges. And the Burghal Hidage, for example, lays out some pretty clear-cut information about what kind of a distribution of people you need to defend the wall, and what kind of ratio of people attacking the wall you need. These remain relatively constant. The walls get bigger, more people are defending the walls. The armies get bigger, more people are attacking the walls. Charlemagne, like any good commander, didn't want to throw his troops away assaulting large fortifications, which is a very expensive thing to do. And as a result, he used what we today call overwhelming force in order to convince people who are in control of fortification that they're better off surrendering.